Claude Code is now free. No API costs. No usage limits. Works completely offline.
Ollama just dropped a feature that lets you run Claude Code with local open source models like Qwen3 Coder. Let me show you exactly how it works and why this changes everything for developers.
First, what is Ollama?
It's an open source tool that lets you run large language models locally on your own machine. No cloud, no API keys, no subscriptions. You download a model once and run it forever. Models like Llama, Mistral, Qwen, and dozens of others. It's completely free and it runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Now Ollama has integrated with Claude Code, Anthropic's command line coding assistant. This means you can use the Claude Code interface but powered by local models instead of the Cloud API.
Watch this demo from Ollama.
One command, Ollama launch Claude with the model flag set to Qwen3 Coder. Claude Code starts up, but instead of hitting Anthropic's API, it's running entirely on local hardware using an open source model.
The user asks it to make a Flappy Bird game. Watch what happens. Let's break down what just happened. Claude Code wrote over 400 lines of JavaScript.
It created HTML canvas animations, game physics, collision detection, score tracking, local storage for high scores, and a restart system. All from a simple prompt: make a Flappy Bird game. The model generated the code, asked for permission to create the files, and then opened it in the browser.
A fully playable game built in seconds.
And here's the crazy part, this all ran locally.
No internet required after the model is downloaded. Why does this matter? 3 reasons. First, cost.
Claude Code with Anthropic's API can get expensive if you're coding all day. Now you pay nothing after the initial download.
Second, privacy. Your code never leaves your machine. For companies with sensitive code bases, this is huge. Third, availability.
No rate limits, no API outages, no waiting.
The model is on your hardware, ready whenever you are. This democratizes access to AI coding assistance for everyone. Now you might be wondering, how does local performance compare to the cloud? Honestly, it depends on your hardware.
On a modern Mac with an M-series chip, Qwen3 runs impressively fast.
On a high-end GPU, even faster.
You won't get the same speed as Anthropic's cloud infrastructure, but for most coding tasks, it's more than fast enough. And remember, you're trading some speed for zero cost and complete privacy.
For many developers, that's an easy trade to make. What's the ideal use case for this?
Local models are perfect for iterative coding sessions where you're constantly asking questions and refining code. Quick prototypes like the Flappy Bird demo. Learning and experimentation where you don't want to worry about costs.
And air-gapped or secure environments where code can't leave the machine.
For production-critical code review or complex architectural decisions, you might still want Claude's cloud models.
Use both strategically. What models can you use? The demo shows Qwen3 Coder, which is specifically trained for code generation.
But you can use any coding-capable model that Ollama supports. Llama 3, Mistral, Llama, DeepSeek Coder, the list keeps growing.
Different models have different strengths. Qwen3 is great for complex reasoning. Llama is optimized for code completion. Experiment and find what works best for your workflow.
How do you set this up? Step 1. Install Ollama from ollama.com. It's a simple download for Mac, Windows, or Linux.
Step 2. Pull a coding model. Run Ollama pull Qwen3 Coder or whatever model you prefer.
Step 3. Launch Claude Code with your local model using Ollama launch Claude -- model and your model name.
That's it. You're now running Claude Code completely locally. No API key needed. This is the future of AI development tools. Cloud APIs for when you need maximum capability, local models for everyday coding. Ollama plus Claude Code gives you the best of both worlds. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI and developer content. This is Tech Wealth Hub.